3 in the morning. On our way to the airport. Our wedding journey adventures begin today.
So, we're waiting for our flight.
Well, guys, quick conversation. This is actually one of the few times we've made it to the airport with enough time to sit down and wait for our flight. Is that right, babe?
No, that's true.
Because normally, one of us likes to push the envelope when it comes to, oh, we got TSA pre-check. We're going to be fine. We're going to be fine. And have us running through the airport trying to get here just to make sure we board. One time, we were A-listers on Southwest. And every flight, we boarded in the goddamn C group.
That is not true. Just one time.
One too many. Oh, no. What was another airport story we got?
We missed. Did we miss a flight?
Let me tell you what happened one time. Or we missed a flight. But we've also had a flight that leaves on the 14th, and our hotel don't check out to the 15th. That was a big issue. That was an expensive trip home. I'm gonna tell you that right there.
Well, that was. I think our tickets was like $800 piece.
I'm giving the camera back to her.
That was. I'm sure we have many other flight stories.
Like the time we almost missed our flight because we had to go get Starbucks. You remember that? Was that our name they just called? Oh shit, they're closing the gate. Yeah, we're running through the airport with Starbucks.
And I don't even drink Starbucks like that. Like, I don't even drink coffee first off, so I think it was that one. I think it was that one that was fiending for Starbucks, and I said, "Oh yeah, we have time." I was looking at, what was I looking at? The boarding time or the departure time? I think I was looking at the departure time as the boarding time, and that's where we lost.
You got an hour till we leave.
No.
It's 5:55 right
They start
now.
boarding at 6:15.
It says departure at 6:52.
Yeah, but we board at 6:15.
We must be going to a different time zone because it shouldn't take. All I'm saying is if the plane is moving almost 800 miles per hour, there is no reason why we should be in the sky for more than 2-3 hours. How can we leave at 6:52 and land somewhere at 10:11? There's no traffic in the sky.
Oh my goodness.
I said my piece.
Oh my goodness. This man, this is every flight. He is so confused or just can't even understand why it's taking us so long to get to the next destination. And it is because of the time difference. So we're leaving Houston. And our flight stops in South Carolina. No, in North Carolina. And then we leave North Carolina and we will arrive in Toronto. So I want to pick up a new habit. You know, I said this year we were going to make all of our flights and be on time, and I think I'm doing good. I think I'm doing good. We were able to drop the car off at a like park and go, and you know we got here in good timing. Also was able to eat breakfast. Oh, you didn't want me to tell them that you ate and I didn't?
Yo, you're wilding right now.
So,
you're wild. I can't believe you just did me like that.
Oh my goodness. I had water. But anywho, what else we do? Oh, okay. So this new habit that I want to pick up is packing throughout the week. Let me tell you, I think I started packing at like 8 o'clock, but then I started packing at like 8 p.m. and then I decided to stop and clean my closet, and then I decided to go downstairs and clean the kitchen. And so yeah, long story short, I didn't finish packing until I didn't get into bed till 1 o'clock, and then we turned around and woke up at like 3. Yeah.
I told her to start packing earlier.
No, I need to
She wanted to be on the phone, play around and stuff. I was just like, hey babe, we got somewhere to be.
I was not on the phone.
It's crazy.
And he's just over here just packed, and men are so easy. Like, he just throw shirt, jeans. They can wear the same shoes
You know what they
for
say?
every outfit. But yeah, so this is just us. We're just waiting at the airport. So we're trying to hurry up and get to our gate. Our flight board, we had a connecting flight. The flight connects at 10:33, or they start boarding at 10:33. We didn't get off the plane until 10:33. So they moved the time up and said, okay, they're not going to depart until 11:03. We get dropped off at gate C. We need to be at gate E.
Keep your seatbelt securely fastened until we are completely parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. There are some seatbelts that are hanging in the out. You need to buckle back up as this is for your safety. 10C, 11C.
Oh wow. Wow. She didn't call us out for taking off our seatbelt. Jesus.
You don't want to get hurt.
While we're parked.
She was showing up for them. You know, you ain't gonna do it.
You ain't gonna do it?
No.
twisted. Just say you don't want to fly no more.
Like at least at Southwest they give you like, you know what I'm saying, a little mix of like pretzels, Cheez-Its, you know what I'm saying, a little toast. They just gave me mini pretzels with no salt. Who eats?
You know, that was good.
No,
That was good for my diet. You know, 80 calories. That was good for my diet.
they don't park this damn phone. They got some more seatbelts back there. I'm about to let you say none of them. That's crazy. I'm gonna tell her something.
What you gonna tell her?
Make sure you record.
What you gonna tell her?
Hopefully you can have a good day. Almost links passive aggressive. Hopefully your day gets better.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's a good word.
Petty, Mr. Petty.
They ain't
Petty
seen petty yet.
himself.
They ain't seen petty yet. How small our plane was compared to other planes. No. So you get the first two bags, they go down, wait, get the second two bags, or the first bag.
Yeah. Did you, did it walk you down or you was recording yourself?
I got it walking down. Like, did you guys hear that? Like, did you guys hear that? Like, this is what Austin deals with. Like,
It's a valid question. It's a valid question.
the camera don't even want to. No, the camera don't even want to talk to you.
It's a valid question, guys.
Let's try this way. Go this way. We're in the sunlight. Real good. Real good. Smell it, babe. Canadian air. We can call it Canada air. Get it? Because that's like the airline, and we're smelling the air in Canada. Canada air. She doesn't get the joke.
Ooh, I didn't prepare. I didn't prepare.
No, you're not cold on
It's cold.
that hot breath, huh?
The hot breath come in handy right now.
Oh, it's a chapstick. Why you should about being this chapstick?
We have to stand outside for our luggage.
Turn the camera.
It's crazy. Okay, director. Like, get away from me.
Turn the camera so they know what we're talking about. Like we had to walk from over here down here.
Everyone is waiting outside for their luggage. If they don't bring me my damn bag, it's cold.
That's what I'm saying. They're bringing it over here. Let me get my code because they probably won't even give it to me.
So, Austin had a carry-on, and of course, I had a check-in bag because I got all types of boots, pea coats. Who do I think I am? Who do I think I am? Well, so now, guys, we are about to go through customs. So, since the plane was so little, They didn't allow people who had carry-ons to put the bags on the carry-on. I mean, the carry-ons on the plane. So they had to check their bags. Then we had to wait outside and get bags. Now we have the bags. It's time to go to customs. And once we go to customs, we'll go and pick up our rental. So yeah. And once we get the rental, we go and check in at the airport. And once we check in at the airport, check in at the damn hotel. And once we check in at the hotel, we going to get something to eat. So we got this little BMW. So where's the first place you're gonna take me, babe?
The hotel. Get this Bluetooth
here.
phone first. And this type of music we play in Canada.
Oh, okay.
Canada is one of the most diverse cities in the world.
I look forward to learning more about it.
Maybe some fucking curry.
Oh, good.
No, they sell it out here.
Oh. Is that snow?
Oh shit, yeah.
Wow. I left my beanie in my suitcase. Snowing. I don't know if you can see it.
But we change the weather wherever we go, you know what I mean?
Level up.
Time to go check in.
Oh,